From outside Mumbai's Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj terminus. Santhya, take us through what we can expect in Mumbai tomorrow. What kind of planning is being put in place?
So, Shireen, as you mentioned, we are standing outside Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj terminal in Mumbai. It's a key location and one of the locations which was targeted during 26/11 attack. From 1993 bomb blast to 26/11 terror attack, Mumbai has faced multiple terror attacks over the years. That's why there'll be special focus on the city. Mumbai is a city which anyway by default remains on high alert, will witness special readiness by the forces. Maharashtra Civil Defence Department has claimed that all the agencies, including Civil Defence, is prepared to face any situation, any scenario. Tomorrow, if we talk about Mumbai, strategic locations will be focused on by the agencies, civil defense agencies, fire department agencies. Of course, Mumbai police will be a huge part of it. Other than Mumbai, there will be 10 districts in, other than Mumbai, there will be 9 more locations in Maharashtra where mock drill will take place. Shireen, over 10,000 people are likely to participate in these mock drills. Civil Defence has said that all the air sirens have been activated and all these citizens will be educated and informed on how to behave, what to do and what not to do in a war-like situation or a terror attack like situation. The idea here is to ensure that everybody is ready and prepared and not to create any kind of panic. Coastal areas in Maharashtra will witness special focus. We all remember how the coastal area sea was used during 26/11, so coastal areas will witness special focus. Other than that, whether it's the railway station part of mock drill, your metro stations, your bus stations, your schools and colleges, there also targeted mock drills will take place. All the air sirens have been activated. Coastal belt, southern Konkan and North Konkan, both these regions will be focused on by the agencies. And tomorrow, along with 200, across nation, 244 districts will witness mock drills, and 10 districts of Maharashtra will be a part of that list. Shireen.
Santhya, many thanks for joining us. So that is the situation in Mumbai. Back